Let's see what's going on, man. We back at you. We back at you like we never left. Time to start the season out right. We gotta set a tone.
Opening day 2017 National Football League season.
Hope springs eternal in 32 NFL cities.
It's all about now. It's all about the future. It's all about 2017.
It's time for the pigskin to fly.
The season starts now.
Let's go have some fun, bro. We ain't got to talk about too much. Let's just go beat their ass, man. Let's go. Hey, Raiders on 3. 1, 2, 3. Raiders.
We're underway in the 2017 season.
You talk about bringing some electricity to an offense.
We're running the hell off the ball. They cannot tackle us at the second level.
He looks, steps up, still looking. He dashes to his left. He dashes to his right. He is starting to run. Now he fires downfield.
Carson Wentz pulling something out of the hat.
That boy got 6 broken tackles in the first series. Now y'all know never quit.
You got more left, don't you?
A whole lot, Coach.
I thought so.
That warm up. We warming up.
Fields it, fumbles it.
And it was thrown behind him. Eagles better get on it.
The ball is on the ground. We have to get on the ball.
Catch to the goal line. I couldn't see the ball on that push stop. He must have threw it over here, huh?
I've never seen a guy catch it on his nameplate on the back and then keep his feet in bounds. Oh my goodness.
Looking end zone, fires one, intercepted off of Karam, picked off in the end zone.
It's picked up on the play. Justin Burris with blockers ahead and runs into his own man. Too many mistakes.
We can get as excited as we want to get. We can slam our heads against the wall, or we can settle down and just go play football. We're seeing too much, okay? See a little, see a lot. See a lot, see nothing, okay? Right. So all we got to do is what we were trained to do, period. And we will execute.
Let's stay composed. 0-0.
Yeah.
We're going to have a chance. When we get it, we're going to hit it.
Can't block us. They're not good. They're not good. They can't block us. Kirk went down in a heat. Hold on, the clinic up front. Clinic up front.
Let's go! Keep coming. Come on. Come on. Hey, remember now, we built for this. We're built for this. Hey, let's go. Bring it up, man. Listen, man. We're down 4 minutes and 49 seconds left. Make it happen. Let's go.
He's got Ginn, hits him in stride.
No blood in the water. Let's go. Have some fun. Make plays.
He literally jumped all the way over the kicker. Stiff arm against Stepps. Hooper is gonna go.
Bro, does keep downfield. Wants Galladay. Did he make the catch? Oh, rookie, you are something special.
A turnover coming our way.
He's hit. The football comes loose and picked up by Cox. And he is into the end zone. The signal is touchdown Eagles.
I wanted to embarrass them. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing to like about these dudes.
I see you. I see you, Raider Nation. Let off.
Great team effort today, man. Great team effort.
1-0. We got done what we need to get done today. All right, hell of a job. Hell of a job. That's the way to kick this thing off.
I mean, this guy, really. We bring him up on the practice squad. We travel him. Hey, Giorgio, I'm so proud of you. The last thing I told this team was, hey, there's 2 names you play for. You play for the name on your back, and then when you look around, we all play for one name. What's that name? Jaguars!